Discover the perfect blend of style, efficiency, and performance with our 2017 Toyota Sedan XL HEV CVT. With only 83,000 miles, this sleek silver hatchback offers a comfortable ride with its automatic transmission and advanced hybrid engine. The spacious 5-door, 5-seat layout ensures convenience for families and daily commuters alike. Enjoy premium features like adaptive cruise control, dual-zone climate control, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system for seamless connectivity on the go. Safety is paramount with advanced Toyota Safety Sense technology, including lane departure alert and pre-collision system. Located at Brownlows Cars, this is your chance to own a versatile, eco-friendly vehicle that stands out on the road. For more info, please call US 01325484870 or visit our website www.brownlowcars.co.uk.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.